Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. This is the first video where I'm trying this portrait mode and also putting research here so we can shorten the time lapse and make the intro a little bit more condensed. The research, usually from Reddit, here is the list of ones I want to buy and try. I also really like this video from Lab Muffin. I think she's a real expert in the sunscreen field. She has a video debunking a lot of other experts like Huberman or dermatologists, where they're not experts in the field of toxicology or understand how things are regulated in different countries. I am very lucky to be in Los Angeles. There's a lot of Asian cosmetic stores around me. I know it's hard to get for a lot of people, but let's go shopping and see what they have. We are back from shopping and I may have gone a little overboard with getting 6 of them. Originally, I was gonna get 2 or 3, but after doing some research, these are all the ones I wanted to try. I made a YouTube short video unboxing the Japanese ones and another one unboxing the Korean sunscreens. And now, since we have so many options, the plan is to go with March Madness bracket elimination round. So this video will end up being a comparison video between these two. I will apply this one to half of my body and then this one to the other half. After a few days, I will figure out which one I like better. The winner will be compared to this one. Hopefully after a few videos, we will have our favorite sunscreen. It's only been a few days, but we have a confirmed winner and I like the Biore better. It was pretty obvious to me the first time applying it. This one felt more smooth and watery compared to the Allie, which is a little more oily and goes on a little more thick, and you can tell that it's already running a little bit on my left arm. I also noticed pretty quickly the smell from the Biore is pretty nice. It's lightly fragrant, a little fruity, but the Allie, the smell, it's a little synthetic plastic alcohol smell, not so terrible. These are both infinitely better than the Neutrogena. The Neutrogena was pretty gross and I can see why everyone recommends trying Japanese and Korean sunscreens. I'm not the most picky person and I'm not that sensitive to how things are feeling, but I can tell this one feels really nice to apply, and then this one feels more like the Neutrogena. It's a little bit more oily, but I could see how this one's good for people with drier skin, but I have oily combination skin and I prefer things to go on matte and more smoothly. We'll give that a couple of minutes while I finish applying it to the rest of the face. The cost difference is also significant. Luckily, the one I do like better is the cheaper one. I'll try to include prices when editing this video. These two were the same price when I walked out the door, but this one is 90 grams and this one is 155. This one was also 40% off and this one was 20% off. So taking into consideration size difference, the sales, and per ounce, this one is probably 30 to 50% cheaper. It's been a few minutes since they've both dried and they feel very similar, but this one is a little bit stickier than the Biore. They're both no white cast, way better than the Neutrogena. The next round is to compare this one with the Anessa, and we will see who wins for that one. But for now, video 213 done.